Hello everyone, today on COTT Electronics, we'll be going through the hotelier platform. The settings may be the lengthiest edition so far, but only because there is a lot to cover. So let's get started. The hotel info is pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure you enter the hotel's complete information and save it. The layout refers to how the actual device will organize and display its content, which we can manually control from here, while the background presented on screen is also an image of your choosing. Right now we're using layout number 5, so let's look at the results when we switch it to 3 and change the background. There you go, all according to your preference of course. Introduction settings refers to the prompts and displays when you turn the device on, including introduction videos and manuals for the remote control. Much like the ad campaigns, you can manually control how long the intro sections can be, all depending on what you want to display before the customer gets to the main menu. When you log on to the device itself, you will see a welcome prompt in the upper left corner. This is what the widget setting refers to. Similarly, whether you feature the weather report in the center right corner is up to you. The actual display, the report itself, location, the icon, as well as the exact time it was updated. The EPG settings look simple, but it's very important to how the system operates. The URL link here is a template that allows the system to receive overall EPG schedule, dates and times included for different broadcasts. For this to happen, you must leave the URL untouched, save the 4 zeros and the actual aggregator, which in this case is Astra. Type in the HIMS server and the IP address where the 4 zeros are, and then set the number of days below the aggregator, which means that after the system receives the EPG schedule and runs it, it will clear it out in the number of days you have set forth. The system settings are pretty straightforward with its options, but I'd like to specify what order type refers to in this particular case. Advanced means that you must manually check someone in and out, whereas simple usually means that the manual option is disabled. We are nearing the end, but there is still one big option that needs to be discussed: the security settings. When you are setting up a new device, if the authentication type is basic, it will not ask for authentication, but the advanced will. The pins work as you'd imagine. One is for the guest, the other is for the manager. Creating a guest pin allows you to prohibit guests from the hotel from accessing certain content without the necessary code. The application security prompt is exactly what it sounds like. It's a prompt that appears when you click on an application asking you to proceed, which can be disabled here. This number above the MAC address states the maximum number of devices set up in every room, while the MAC address can be used to log in into individual devices. That said, if the Allow Room Create Device is disabled, you will not be able to log into the device. The rest of the prompts are quite straightforward, and mostly depend on the specifics of the hotel. I hope this helped you understand the wide range of settings available for the hotelier platform. Thank you for watching, and as always, for more from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.